Welcome back to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a breakthrough in how artificial intelligence creates images from our text prompts. Have you ever noticed that AI image generators sometimes fail at basic things like counting objects or placing them in the right corner? The researchers behind this paper found a strange paradox. The same AI that makes these mistakes is actually very good at spotting them if you ask it to check the image later. They call this problem the understanding generation gap, where the AI's ability to understand a prompt is much stronger than its ability to draw it. To bridge this gap, they proposed a new framework called UniReasoner. This system treats the large language model, or LLM, as a universal reasoner that guides the entire creative process. Instead of trying to make a perfect image in one single step, the system uses a three-stage pipeline called Draft-Evaluate-Diffuse. First, the AI creates a very rough visual draft using special tokens that act like a digital sketch. This draft isn't meant to be pretty. It is just a course plan to establish where objects should be located. In the second stage, the same AI looks at its own sketch and performs a self-critique. It compares the draft against your original instructions to see if anything is missing or in the wrong place. The AI then writes a grounded evaluation, which is basically a set of notes on exactly what needs to be fixed to make the image accurate. Finally, a separate image-making model takes the original prompt, the rough draft, and the AI's correction notes to generate the final high-quality image. This ensures that the generation is guided by explicit signals rather than just guessing what the user wants. For example, if a prompt asks for 2 specific cups on a table, the AI might realize its draft only has one. Its evaluation will state that a second cup and a coaster are missing. The final image generator uses that feedback to ensure those specific details are included correctly. The results are impressive, as the researchers showed that UniReasoner significantly outperforms traditional methods in categories like counting and positioning. It even beat high-profile models like DALL-E 3 and GPT-4o in several key benchmarks for accuracy. This proves that giving an AI time to think and critique its work makes it much more reliable. What makes this even more exciting is that they didn't have to change the core technology used to draw the images. They simply added a smarter brain to the front end of the process to provide better instructions. This suggests that many of the AI failures we see today can be fixed by simply improving how the models reason through their tasks. To recap, the researchers have found a way to close the gap between an AI's understanding and its creative output. By drafting and self-correcting, AI can now handle much more complex and specific instructions than ever before. In the future, this could lead to AI assistants that truly understand the world they are visualizing, making them much more helpful for human creators. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and we will see you in the next episode.